Ardha Chandrasana, facing the wall. To measure your distance from the wall, you want about a foot's length. So left foot, right heel behind the left heel. Yeah. So if I put my left big toe to the wall, then I bring my right heel behind that. That is my distance from the wall. I'm using a little lift. Now you can use a half block. I find that a bit high for me, but for some of you it will work. I'm going to use my belt, a couple of turns, and I'm going to pop that under the heel so that it brings me into the ball of the foot, and I can access the action I need out of that ball of the foot to create the drive up through to my inner buttock and sitting bone. So from here, heel. So I've got my ball of the foot pressing, I've got my knee facing over the center of the foot, and I'm going to bring the sitting bone above the heel. So I have a vertical right leg, my left leg is lifted to hip height, and my arm, I've got the hand beneath the shoulder. Press the inner ball of the foot into the mat and widen across the ball of the foot from in to out. Lengthen back through the arch to the heel. Keep pressing the inner ball of the foot into the mat and draw up through your leg towards the base of your spine. Keep that outer calf to the bone. Lift your kneecap and draw this outer thigh in towards the hip. Move the top of the buttocks towards the bottom of the buttocks. Bring your front inner buttocks between your legs and pull them into your body. Extend through that lifted leg, that lifted inner leg. Extend back through towards that inner heel. Flatten the front thighs to the thigh bones and press the top of the thigh bones into the backs of the legs. Keep the top of the buttocks moving towards the lower buttocks. So top of the buttocks to the bottom of the buttocks, out of the lower back. Extend through your spine to the crown of your head. Keep your left hand on the wall, left big toe is on the wall, and then turn lumbar spine, thoracic spine, neck and head. Every now and then just check. Is my knee, heel, knee, sitting bone, knee facing directly over the center of the foot. Breathe, full inhalations. Complete your exhalations. And then bend your knee. Take care of your alignment as you come down. Good. Other side. So I'm going left ball of the foot, inner heel to the belt. Again, that belt is just lifting, bringing me into the action so I can press that ball of the foot. And right leg up to hip height. Good. And then again, press the ball of the foot into the mat, draw up through your leg towards the base of your spine. Top of the buttocks towards the bottom of the buttocks. Extend through both inner legs towards the inner heels. Front inner buttocks between your legs and pull them into your body. Abdominal wall to the spine. Extend through both sides of the torso. Maintaining the legs and pelvis, and turn the lumbar spine, turn the thoracic spine. Breathe. Maintain your alignment, heel, knee, sitting bone. Center of the knee facing the block over the center of the foot. And then bend your knee and down you come. Now, something I like to do in this pose to really feel which muscles should be working. If I go back into my Ardha Chandrasana on the right leg, so what I'm going to do is little push-ups. So press the foot, draw up through the leg, extend through your inner legs, back top of the buttocks, out of the lower back, abdominal wall in, and then watching your knee. Make sure the center of the knee is facing over the center of the foot all the time. Inhaling, bend, exhaling off the ball of the foot and push. Keep that heel up. Inhaling, bend, exhaling and push off the ball of the foot. Inhaling, bend, exhaling and push. Drive it up. Inhaling, bend, exhaling, push. Again, inhaling, bend, exhaling and drive it up. You feel something yet? Inhaling, bend, exhale and push. Yes, feel it, extend. And then let's change legs. Same thing, left foot. Good. Check your alignment, center of the knee facing over the center of the foot, sitting bone over the heel, block in line with the center of the foot. Let's go. Pelvic floor in, top of the buttocks, out of the lower back. Tighten your front inner buttocks. Inhaling, bend. Exhaling, ball of the foot and push. Drive it up through the leg. Inhaling, bend. Exhaling and push. Keep the center of the knee facing over the center of the foot at all times. Inhaling, bend. Exhaling and push. Keep the top of the buttocks out of the lower back. Inhaling, bend. Exhaling, push. Inhaling, bend. Exhaling, push. Inhaling, bend. Exhaling and push. No weight on the heel. Inhaling, bend. Exhaling and push. Well done. Down you come. Yeah. Bye.